Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a first impression of this new NARS lip product. So anyway, I got the mini set. They released like 2 shades or 3 shades, but I got the red one. So they have like a nude and other shades. So I'm talking about this Narsisst Wanted Power Pack Lip Kit. And so this is what it looks like, and that's the box right there, and this is what it looks like right there in the back. And so in this one we are getting two different shades of red, and this is called the hot red. I picked the red because, you know, I'm not really a nude girl or something like that, so it doesn't really look good on me. So I know reds, I can, like, you know, I love reds. So this is what it looks like right here. And that's not a bad shade. And I think this is a liquid lip. I don't know why they gave you two reds for. I mean, why can't they just like have a nude and a red? I don't know why it has to come in like two of these in the same almost, you know, shade. So anyway, you are getting a power. So this is a power matte lip pigment. And let's see. Okay, so you are getting Cherry Bomb and Don't Stop, and each of this is 0.09 fluid ounce or 2.8 ml. So that's what the size is. The size is not that bad. I love sizes like this. So I got this for $22, I think, at Ulta, and this is available at Narsisst.com and elsewhere. And this is like, you know. So anyway, I got this because I got the new Narsisst palette, so I'm like, might as well just get this one as well. So let me go ahead and see which one I would like. Alright, so let me go ahead and swatch the Cherry Bomb for you. I love the packaging, by the way, the Narsisst, and this is my first time this is my first time trying a NARS liquid product. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. That's the applicator right there. It looks weird actually. So this is Cherry Bomb. Wow, that is hot red. That's pretty. And the other one is called the Don't Stop. Don't Stop. I don't know. Oh, okay, so this one is a little dark. So this one is dark. Don't Stop. They look alike to me. I don't know what's the difference, but they look similar, right? So anyway, I will try the Cherry Bomb because I will use this together. The Don't Stop would be on my outer lip, and then the Cherry Bomb would be on the inner. Oh shit. Okay, so that feels like an oil. It has a smell in it. Okay, so every time you pull it out, the product comes out like it was squirt. Oh, it looks pretty, right? Oh, it dries quick. It's very comfortable for a liquid lip. It's very light, and it's very comfortable. It doesn't stick or whatever like that, like a regular. Oh my gosh, this is pretty good. Like a regular liquid lip. I actually don't like liquid lip, but this one is really comfortable. And this is my first time feeling like I don't have anything. It feels like a powder. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply the Don't Stop. I'm just going to make sure that it doesn't squirt. Now it's very pigmented because it's red. Oh. I don't see a difference between these two. I guess the Don't Stop is a little bit darker. But this is so pigmented. Hi. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it's transfer proof. A wee bit. See, did transfer a little bit, but not bad. It dries pretty quick, and it's very very pretty and very comfortable. It feels like an oil when you apply it, and it does dry quickly. So anyway, that's a swatching right there. First impression on this two right here. Is this worth to try? Is this worth to try? Is this worth $22 or the regular full size? I'd say yes. I am gonna get the like a regular color, more of like a little bit nuder or pinker. But this one is really, really good. Like a really good size to me. $22, not bad. This will last me for a really long time. And I love it. I love the whole packaging. I love the whole everything. I love the, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful on me. I love the red. So anyway, I will try other color. Maybe I'll try the other lip kit. The other lip kit, the other shades. So anyway, I will see you again on my next video. I hope that you find this helpful. Is this worth $22 and worth trying? Yes, it is worth it. Very worth it. It's really, really good. It's very comfortable. And for a person who doesn't like liquid lip or matte anything, this one is pretty good. It doesn't really feel drying whatsoever. So this is my first impression and my review on this lip kit right here, called Narsisst. I will see you again on my next video. I hope that I find this helpful, and thank you so much for stopping by and giving me a little bit of your time. And I will see you again later. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And to those of you who have, thank you so much. See you later. Bye. Ooh.